Welcome. If you've been using Discord on your phone, you might have noticed the mobile voice overlay popping up whenever you're in a call or gaming session. While it can be helpful, sometimes it just gets in the way, and you might prefer turning it off. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps on how to disable the overlay on Discord so you can enjoy a clean, distraction-free screen. First, open up the Discord app on your device. Once the app is open, look down to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile picture. This will take you into your personal settings where all your preferences are located. From here, tap the little settings icon. This is where you'll find all the controls for customizing your Discord experience. Scroll until you see the section labeled Voice. Go ahead and tap on it. Inside the voice settings, you'll see something called Enable Mobile Voice Overlay. This option is what controls whether that little overlay shows up on your screen during calls. If it's switched on, the overlay will appear whenever you're in a voice chat or gaming. But to turn it off, all you need to do is toggle that setting off. It's as simple as tapping once to disable it. Once you've switched it off, that's it. You're done. From now on, the overlay won't appear when you're chatting with friends or playing games. You'll still be able to use all of Discord's voice features normally. You just won't have the overlay floating on your screen. This is a quick and easy change, but it makes a big difference if you prefer a cleaner layout or if you find the overlay distracting. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just hanging out in a chat, it's always nice to know you have control over how your app looks and feels. So, to recap, open your Discord app, tap your profile picture at the bottom right, hit the settings icon, select voice, and toggle off the option for mobile voice overlay. That's all there is to it.